Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to show FPS on the Teamfight Tactics or TFT. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your Teamfight Tactics game on your PC. So if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. And of course, if you don't even have the right client, you'll have to go and download that through whatever browser you are going to use. If you have Brave like me, this will be cool, but if you don't, you'll have to go and open whatever other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, make sure here to go to this URL section. Simply type download League of Legends, download Riot Client, or even download TFT. All of them will take you to the same place that will give you the option to download the Riot Client. Once you do that, just go and open it up. Of course, it will normally be opened automatically. Once it's open, you'll find yourself with a home screen like this. And here you'll find the games that's already downloaded into your PC. If you have the Teamfight Tactics, just go and open it up. But if you don't, you'll have to scroll down until you find this all games. Make sure to click on Teamfight Tactics. And here on this bottom right or left corner, click at this three dots. Here you'll be able to download League of Legends in your PC through the League of Legends, in your iPhone through the App Store, or in your Android through the Google Play. Choose whatever you want, and of course, once it's downloaded, you'll find it here. So just go and open it up now. And of course, if you have an account, you'll have to log in into it because we will ask you to do that. But if you don't have an account, go back into your browser and simply here type create a Riot Games account, because that will give you the opportunity to play all of their games if you want. So including TFT. So then you'll have to go and open your TFT. Of course, you will have to open it through League of Legends if you're using a PC. And once you logged in into your account, you'll find this yourself on a client. Just go and find the game for yourself. And of course, once you do that, you will find yourself on a game like this, which is that is TFT. So how can you actually show FPS? As you can see at the top right corner, I already have the FPS shown. And for you, if it's not shown, you'll have simply to click at Control F. And as you can see, for me, it's hidden now because I click at Control F. Now, if I click at Control F again, as you can see, it will show. That means if you want to show FPS, and if you don't have it, click at Control F and it will show and you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.